Hello, my name is Bruner and I'm with Sculpture House. I'm going to walk you through one of our Christmas projects, making a little Christmas caroler girl. It was a lot of fun, and my assistant, Sandra K. Little, will be doing all of the demonstration work. The first step is to prepare thin slabs of clay that will form the body and appendages of the piece. This should be done after sprinkling talcum powder on your working surface so that the clay will not stick. Cut a small section of clay from the container enclosed and roll this out with a round surface pin or doweling so that you have an even, thin edge. Using the enclosed template is very easy. After rolling your clay out, simply place the template on the clay and cut around the edges, removing the clay, leaving a round circle shape. From here, we will take our needle tool and make small holes along the lines, defining the other areas that we will need for later use. Forming the body is quite easy. After cutting out the triangle section of the circular piece of clay that we have rolled out, simply remove the pie section that we will use for the arms later. At this time, you will have 3/4 of the pie left, which can be textured with the texture sheets that have been enclosed in your kit. After your texturing has been accomplished, take the remaining clay and fold it together, forming a cone-shaped body. Fuse the two sections together where they meet, and you will have a small cone or tent shape. This will act as the base for your body. To attach the head, roll a small ball of clay and simply place it on top of the cone shape that we have just made. You can smooth this in with your fingers to make the attachment more secure. Attaching the arms is also quite simple. From the pie-shaped piece of clay that we originally started with, that has been set aside, cut along the lines that form the arms and cut them out with a sharp knife or needle tool. The hair is a little more difficult, but still quite fun. From a clay gun or possibly a garlic press, squirt out some clay, making the hair shapes. Cut these rope sections of clay to the proper length for the size of your piece and press them into the head. The next item will be to attach the mittens. To attach the mittens, simply cut the shape from the original template and pie groove of clay, as you can see in the hand here, and press them against the arms. All of these items can be further secured using the wax tool, needle tool, or your fingers, and a small amount of water if the clay starts to dry out. The scarf is a fun item and can be easily attached also by getting the basic shape and then taking the wax knife or needle tool again and forming the actual collar around the neck. Just push this up underneath the chin and the head, and it will generally easily attach to the body. Now the piece is almost completed. Now that all the pieces are attached, we must let them dry, and then we can paint the body, the face, the head, and the hair, and the mittens if necessary. This may require a few coats depending on the sharpness of the color that you like on your piece. Usually the face needs more coats than the body. Once the paint is dried, your piece is complete. We have also done several carolers and a turkey. For tips and suggestions, I would have water handy, cleaning towels handy, and always keep my tools clean. Thank you for your interest, and Sandy and I both hope that you have a Merry Christmas and have had fun doing this project.